Hello, in my previous video I showed you that how you can make a rose glyceride using a rose petal and glycerine. You can watch my video in a given link in the description. Here I'm going to make a rose water toner. So for that I have here rose water, and this is a plain water or RO water. So first I'm taking this spray bottle. You can use any clean and spray bottle, this one, and then fill this water. It's very easy and okay, so here you can see I filled up to almost 80% of this bottle. So any bottle you can take it, 8 part of this one, and here I have this rose water, which is very good and have very good smell. Add it into this I have only this 2 part, exactly 2 part. So 2 part rose water and 8 part plain water. And now I'm going to add here this rose glyceride. So I'm going to add 2 ml. This is 0.5 ml. 1 more ml. Let's see how much it will be. Maybe I will add only 1 ml in this one. Shake it very well. So I added only 1 ml of glyceride, rose glyceride, and 2 part of the rose water and 8 part of this plain water to make this rose toner. Rose toner is very good for nourishing skin, and in the summertime to hydrate our skin with rose perfume, with rose scent. Shake it well and then you can spray. It has very good smell. So here is very quick, very easy to make rose toner.